This mountain has a name Guadalupe. There is also a monument on the top of the mountain. We'll go there next time. Right now we're going down to city Bogotá, the capital of Colombia. Wow, the panorama is magical and fantastic.
American Embassy.
Bienvenidos a ubicado a 3.152 metros de altura, alberga en su cima el santuario del Señor de Montserrat, cuyos orígenes se remontan en 1640, cuando se realizó la construcción de una capilla dedicada a la Virgen Morena de Montserrat. A su llegada a la cima, puede iniciar su
City and the capital of Colombia. Right now,
bellas esculturas en bronce traídas el siglo pasado desde Florencia, Italia, y apreciar la hermosa vegetación que rodea la montaña durante su ascenso al santuario. En Montserrat se puede disfrutar una de las mejores panorámicas de la
nice
ciudad,
view, yeah?
que en cada momento del día ofrece colores y sensaciones
Yeah?
distintas. El
Yeah,
paisaje
can you imagine like Godzilla going and crashing? Yeah,
de
you
las
remember?
noches capitalinas.
Japanese cartoons.
Además
Yeah,
de la devoción, la
Scary
naturaleza
movie.
y el paisaje en Montserrat
Japanese
se
came
puede
from
disfrutar
Japan.
de lo
Yeah.
mejor de la gastronomía nacional e internacional.
Or King Kong, you remember? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Y degustar las mejores cosas navideñas del Sonate en el Café Santa Clara.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Lo invitamos a
I
conocer
never
y
forget
recorrer todos los espacios diseñados cuidadosamente.
like start my new
Images, yes.
experience. Yeah.
Montserrat sea inolvidable.
You had a comics, right? About Godzilla for the kids, yes? And it was the same panorama. Like she was going and you remember? When I see these skyscrapers, I just remember
Yeah.
all that stupid movies. I just have seen one in a booth with
Welcome to Monserrate Hill, the sanctuary for Colombians.
Dwayne Johnson,
Standing at
Dwayne Rock Johnson,
3,150
famous actor.
meters high,
Yeah, and
You remember?
7,300
Huh?
he used to wrestle.
It
Pro
hovers
wrestler.
at its top.
Yeah. He from Hawaii, you know? He from Hawaii originally.
Construction of
Yeah.
a chapel dedicated to the Black Madonna of Montserrat.
Yes, somewhere from there.
To the top. You may start your walking with the Crucis path, which
Woohoo!
depicts the Passion of Christ.
Crazy people going up.
Yeah.
Rock from Florence, Italy,
Oh,
in the
he
20th
was
century,
waiting.
and cherished
Yes.
Going now.
vegetation which
He's going to
flowers
up.
under
Yes.
At Montserrat,
Really?
Now you can see people
panoramic
who
views of the city.
trying to go
Offers many different
upper.
colors and sensations throughout the day. Sunrises, beautiful sunsets,
Guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, give me a like, write me nice comments, share this video with your friends, push the bell near the button, subscribe please,
enjoy the best of
and of course write me nice comments and make the bell in the black color. Please. Muchas gracias, thank you very much.
We invite you to get a tour
Haha.
of carefully designed tourist spots in order to experience and
Haha.
Monserrate.
It's getting super cold. Stupid people. Yeah? Look, in the t-shirt. Two guys.
Some people wearing t-shirts. Oh my god.
Okay guys, see you at the end of the world. Thank you for watching.